Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to disable website notifications from your phone. Okay, so sometimes you must have at some point allowed for a website to send you notifications on their everyday feed or whatever they have on their everyday basis. Okay, so to do that, you drag the page down on your home screen, and then so you can see I've got so many notifications, and the one that I'm currently looking at is the one that says Chrome, and then it says Ham TV. Alright, so I want to remove that notification from my phone. Okay guys, but can I actually request you guys to please go on my second channel, which is a cooking and natural remedies channel, which is very useful for you guys and everyone in this world. Okay, because it shows you guys how to cure your illnesses naturally, and also we'll show you some nice dishes for you guys to enjoy on an everyday life. Alright, thank you, and let's get on with the video. You see that this is so once I clicked on it, it comes as this. So now we'll go and remove this notification, and we'll go on the setting, and then site setting, notifications. Okay, so you can see in here that there's 4 websites that that I've actually asked for them to send me notifications on their everyday feed. Okay, so I can see that there's Ham TV in here, so you want to click on that and you want to say clear and reset. Okay, so that way it's deleted. Alright, so there's another way to do that as well. So you drag the page again, and then you go onto the notification that you want to disable. So for example, I want to disable Wish. You just long press on that, and then this should come up. Then you just wanna like press on push notifications so that turns it off. So instead of blue, it'll be gray. So now you just want to say save on there, and that should not bring you any notifications unless you allow it again. Alright, so thank you for watching. Anyway, that's it guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Take care. Bye bye.